perhaps उसके साथ मसला ये हो गया था कारगिल में he thought it was the Indian private media which helped India to win the war, which was again a misleading concept. तो उसने सोचा कि अगर पाकिस्तान में भी प्राइवेट मीडिया को इंट्रोड्यूस किया जाए तो इट विल हेल्प हिम आउट. So he opened it up. Private sector was allowed in. But at that time, information minister was Sheikh Rasheed, who was a totally illiterate person. यानी उसको समझ ही नहीं थी कि इसके साथ करना क्या है. And he allowed everyone a license, and especially like Jang Group. Jang Group had the largest circulated Urdu newspaper and almost the largest circulated English newspaper. And they were allowed to have television as well. So Geo, Jang, and News, among them, they perhaps had the largest reach, viewers and readers. Exactly. The Viber group was also there, but it was not. It was more of a Jang group was a market oriented. It was Murdoch of Pakistan. So they had no ethical limitations. I mean, like it was the Geo group which introduced Aamir Liaquat